Django custom template tag which accepts a Boolean parameter. According to this thread on the Django developers list, I can't pass the constant false as a parameter to a Django template tag because it will be treated as a variable name, not a built-in constant. But if I want to create a template tag needs a true or false parameter, what's the recommended way to create, in Python, and invoke, in a template, that template tag? I could simply pass 1 or 0 inside the template and it would work okay, but given that Django template authoring shouldn't require computer programming knowledge, e.g. 1 = true, 0 = false, of template writers, I was wondering if there is a more appropriate way to handle this case. Example of tag definition and usage.
I came up against this problem a while ago, and arrived at the conclusion that using 1 and 0 was the simplest solution. However, an idea might be to add a context processor which adds true and false to the template context using respective names. Then obviously you would need to add that context processor in your Django settings file.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.